In case if the camera of the iPhone shows black screen when you open the camera, then there are certain things which you can do in order to fix the issue. The first thing what you will do is you will restart the iPhone. Sometimes simply restarting the iPhone fixes many of the issue. So once you restart the iPhone, open the camera app and check if it works or not. The second thing what you will check is open other applications which uses camera, for example Skype or botim. These are the voice video calling applications, and check if the camera works for this application or not. If the camera works for this application but not for the camera app present in your iPhone, that means it is a software issue and not a hardware issue. So check if there is a new version of iOS update pending in your iPhone. To check that one, you will go to settings, you will go to general, you will go to software update and see if there is any update pending for your iOS device. Sometimes a bug may be causing this issue, which can be fixed by updating your iPhone to the latest version. The other thing what you can do is you can bring your iPhone to the factory mode and check if the iPhone camera will work or not. For that one, you will go to settings, you will go to general, you will go to reset, and then you will select erase all content and settings. Now what you can do is you can at first back up your iPhone to the iCloud and erase, so that when you set up your iPhone later on, then you can restore all the documents and the data which were present in your iPhone. So after erasing the iPhone, check if the camera app work or not. If none of these fixes the issue, then it may be caused by the hardware, or it may be a hardware problem in your iPhone. In that case, you need to send your iPhone to the technician and fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.